Package dimensions: 21.843 cms, L, x 15.494 cms, W, x 21.843 cms, H. Product type: auto part. Package quantity: 1. Country of origin: China. GM Genuine Parts Body electrical ground straps are designed, engineered, and tested to rigorous standards, and are backed by General Motors. GM Genuine Parts are the true OE parts installed during the production of or validated by General Motors for GM vehicles. Some GM Genuine Parts may have formerly appeared as AC Delco GM Original Equipment (OE). Top reviews from the United States. 2005 Silverado firewall to hood static ground strap. Mine was missing, so I finally replaced it. Not sure what the purpose of it is since there are mixed reviews. Some say it helps with radio frequency issues. Either way, I never had any electrical issues without it. I just don't like missing components.